Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Otterbox Defender Pro Series case for the S26 Ultra. You can get this case from their website, or I picked it up from Amazon. Either one, I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Does it add bulk to your phone? Also, how heavy the case is. Can you wireless charge? How strong is the magnet on here? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. When you buy it from Amazon, it comes in like this recycled box. When you get it on the website, it's a little bit different box there. But it says 100% recycled box. Bam. 7-time tested military grade. AAA defense. But let's get into it. Now, the one thing, Otterbox used to come in this big old box. You used to get a belt clip. Not anymore. You can still get one right here. You can actually order a free belt clip there. Bam, it shows you how you want to get it. So you can get a free belt clip if you wanted to, but out of the box, it does not have it on there. But you still have triple the protection on here. Bam, look. It is definitely sturdy. But we're going to show you how to install this bad boy too. So it is a 3-piece case. So what you want to do is take this apart. Right, take it all apart. Then on the back, it has these little arrows all the way around, so that's where it will unclip. And just take your time, you don't want to break any of them. And then what you do, bam, you got it apart. And then in the inside, it has like this cushion material too, so for your phone, it doesn't scratch out the back. Then you just set your phone in there. And you just kind of repeat the steps. And you just want to make sure that everything snaps back together. Go around it. Pretty easy, right? Simple. Not hard at all. And then you just put the rubber piece back on. And then you kind of just work it around, like just making sure it's all in there nice and snug. Around the pen and around this cutout can get tricky. But once you have it in there, bam. So the great thing about this case, you have a lot of lip protection. I mean, look at it. Like I can put this down, and if I have something flat, it will. So you know it's not touching the table at all because I can slide that through. Now it will work friendly with some screen protectors. It's working friendly with this one, which is the Kevlar or Kasari screen protector that I will be reviewing soon, if not already posted on the channel. You also get camera protection. Bam. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have your little charging port there to cover, and then you have the microphone that's still, you know, open. The pen is pretty easy to get out as long as you have fingernails. So you can get the pen out. It's not too bad. If you especially have fingernails, look. Not bad at all. At the top, the microphone is cut out there. So, and then the fit too is like, you don't, I mean, it's a 3-piece case, so it fits pretty well. And it's not going anywhere. Like, you drop it, you're not worrying about your phone popping out of this case at all. And then the grips, y'all. It has a lot of grip on here. You add this to with a belt clip, and then you have solid protection that you can take everywhere. And does it add bulk? Yes, it is a bulky case. It does add a little bit of bulk, a little bit of weight to it too. The phone is a lot more hefty now, I would say. Definitely a little bit more hefty, but it checks off a lot of boxes for you. Can you wireless charge? Even though the case is a little bit of a heavy duty case, I don't think you will have a problem. As you can tell there, you can wireless charge. And then the magnet. Let's see. Now, is it a super strong magnet? I'm going to say no. But again, you're not going to sit here and try to shake your phone like this 99% of the time. You're just not going to do it. Like, who's going to sit here and shake their phone? It's pretty strong though. Look. Is it super, like the most heavy duty one? No, but again, for everyday use, for what people are going to use this for, yes, it is doable. I would say if you like MagSafe accessories, you will not have a problem using any of your accessories here. So let's wrap up this video. Does check off a lot of boxes for you. The power button, I don't know if I even try that out. Power button is nice and tactile. Volume rockers are nice and easy to press. So buttons are nice and tactile. Everything lines up. You have the little charging port cover there. The microphone at the top line up. You have camera protection. You have a lot of lip protection. Great grip on here. The magnet is great on here. It's very doable. It's not one of the strongest ones out there, but hey, come on. If you have this case, you're usually probably not rocking a strong magnet anyway, or trying to use MagSafe all the time. The one thing, it does add bulk to it, so it is a bulkier case. Again, if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.